All right. This looks all right. Just gonna have to watch out for some snakes. That's gonna be for sure. That'll work. Oh yeah, there's a fish. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nice, first fish of the day. Ouch. Chill, chill, don't break my line. Nice. Ouch. I knew, oh, I thought there were spots and it looks like they're, ouch. Sorry, man. All right, here we go. Right there on the Ned rig. Good largemouth. Real good one. I thought I saw a school of something over there, but I thought there were spots, but it turns out they're largemouth. All right, let's see if we can release him over here and maybe not disturb those others and get a few more. Awesome, awesome fish. That was cool. Guys, that was actually my first Tennessee fish. I know I kind of took a while to post my last video, and that's because I moved up here to Tennessee, started a new job here in Murfreesboro, and so this is actually Stones River that I'm fishing. And just right ahead of me there's some shade with some current, and sure enough I walked over here earlier and I just saw a ton of bass just chilling right here in the shade. And so I'm trying to stay off of this little area here, that way the fish don't see me. Oh, let's see that. I don't know if that was a bite. Oh no, it wasn't a bite. Sorry about that, but anyway, there's a school of them, of bass just right here, and I can still see them swimming around. And so I don't want to get too close. Let's see, I don't want them to see me, so I'm just trying to stay off a little bit, working this Ned rig back. See if we can get us another one. Oh no, no stinking way. Oh my gosh. Guys, I literally made a cast in there thinking, hey, what the heck? We might get a fish. This bass took it first cast. I cannot believe that. Sorry, man, that was kind of a rough landing there. That was sick. There we go. Now he's trying to eat this. Guys, check that out. Nice creek largie. Wow, I literally, let's see, I'm gonna walk kind of this way, let him go. That was kind of a rough landing, but I just kind of threw in there just to see how deep it was, and boom, he took it. So, all right, let's see. Whew. There you go, bud. There he goes. He knows where he's going. Uh-oh.